Hello dear students, this is Chaudhary Mushfiqur Rahman speaking from Boyradaghu Secondary School's online classroom. Hoping that you are all are well by the grace of Almighty in this tough situation of COVID pandemic. We are using online class to conduct class staying far away from you. Dear student, last week I conducted class on assertive to interrogative, but today I am going to give you another topic, and my today's topic is article. Actually, it is not very much challenging to use article in speaking rules, but if you want to use articles in writings, you may make many kinds of mistakes, and mistake is a part of our learning, but mistakes in article may lead us to a wrong thinking, and correct use of article is very important to gain accuracy in our writing skill and developing our speaking skill also. So I don't like to discuss all the grammatical rules related to articles, but I am going to give you 2 or 3 basic rules, important rules that you can apply in your examination in the JSC, SSN, whatever you like admission class. And thank you. Welcome to my class. And my today's topic is uses of article. Now, dear students, you are welcome to my class, and you know my class is article, about article. So you know using article is directly related to our JSC exam, and it is also a part of many grammatical items for SSC also. So this is something that you have to very much up and doing to use article in your class. And let me check that everything is working okay. I have come back to my class. So I'm feeling some disturb to start my class in the laptop. Okay, it may start right now. Yeah, it is going to start. Just wait for a minute. This is my old picture. Chaudhary Mushfiqur Rahman, assistant teacher, English, Boyradagh Bibugh Secondary School, Boyradagh, Khulna. And today's article is especially for class 8. And look at the picture, and what can you see here? This is a rose, and there is underline the end of a. And what is this? This is, the picture is about an egg. And next, what is this? This is an owl. So what can we say about this picture? The picture is about the sunset on the west. So I've just discussed 3 sentences. This is a rose, this is an egg, and this is an owl. The sun rises in the east. We have got some underlined words in the above mentioned 4 sentences like a, an, and the. How can we define term a and the grammatical point of view? This is called, today's topic is article. And a, an, and the. The first picture, a bus, is article and bus is a noun. Second picture, an owl, an is an article, owl is a noun. And last picture, the sun, article plus noun. So actually you have to remember that article is especially used before noun to identify whether noun particular noun. So what is the definition of article? An article is a word used to modify a noun which is a person, place, object or idea. Technically, an article is an adjective which is any word that modifies a noun. Usually, adjectives modify nouns through description, but articles are used in a state to point out of refer to noun. So what is indefinite article? Indefinite article is a and an. A is used to mark singular countable noun begins with consonant. An is used to mark singular countable noun begins with vowel. So let me check some example. A boy, a cat, a dog, a fan. A house, a god, a kite, a lion. So the word lion, kite, house, fan, it is a are has a start with consonant and we have used a before this singular noun. This is a microbus, a nurse, a pigeon, a queen, a rat, a snake. So in such word, all the things that we can see is regarded as noun, and if the noun starts with consonant, then we have to use a before it. Now come about vowels, a, e, I, o, u. So before vowel, if a noun begins with vowel, we have to use an, like an apple, an elephant, an eagle, an ink pot, an orange, an umbrella. The little girl is carrying an umbrella because umbrella is started with u and pronounced like an. Use of indefinite article may vary in some cases, sound and rules. The word one always takes up before it instead of an, though it starts with one. This is a one-eyed man, 1 taka note. So before one we have to use a. This is a horse, a house. When a word begins with H and pronounced like ha, it takes before it like consonant and use a. But if an honest man does not take bribe or give for work, so when H will be pronounced like O, then it will take an before A. Again, dishonest man take bribe. This is an urgent letter for you. An ultrasonography, the cute girls hold an umbrella. Dhaka University is a famous university. When a noun begins with U and pronounced like U, it takes A instead of an. Now let me check some task here. I want an orange. This is a house. Kamal carries an umbrella. I have a 1 taka note. I saw an owl. An honest man is loved by all. She is a nurse. The man is an Indian. This is a cat. I am afraid of a snake. So you can practice this example with your partners also. So I would like to give some homework now. Write down 20 words with article and submit it for next class. So dear students, today I was unable to use projector in my class, but hopefully I will give it some clear conception to you next class. And if you find problem hearing me, then let me know in comment and inbox. Thank you.